Hey everyone, welcome back to Fix Me Master. Today I'll show you how to open Chrome Developer Tools to inspect elements, debug JavaScript, and analyze network activity. Whether you're a developer or just curious, this guide will help you. Let's dive in. Method using keyboard shortcuts, fastest way. 1. Open Google Chrome on your computer. 2. Press F12 or Ctrl-Shift-I, Command-Option-I on Mac. 3. The DevTools panel will open on the right or bottom of the screen. Method 2. Right-click and inspect. 1. Right-click anywhere on a web page. 2. Click Inspect from the context menu. The Elements tab of Developer Tools will open. Method 3. Using the Chrome menu. 1. Click the three-dot menu in the top right corner of Chrome. 2. Hover over More Tools and select Developer Tools. 3. The DevTools panel will appear. Bonus: Docking and undocking DevTools. 1. Click the three-dot menu inside the DevTools panel. 2. Choose where you want to place it, dock to right, dock to bottom, undock in a separate window. Outro. And that's how you open Chrome Developer Tools. Now you can inspect elements, debug code, and analyze web pages like a pro. If you found this useful, hit that like button, subscribe to Fix Me Master, and drop a comment below. See you in the next one.